staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Is quinoa the secret to a longer, healthier life? The surprising truth revealed. Quinoa is a plant that has been gaining popularity as a nutritious and versatile food in recent years. It is a rich source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent addition to any diet. However, quinoa's benefits go beyond its nutritional value. Recent studies have suggested that quinoa may have longevity benefits, meaning that it could help people live longer and healthier lives. In this video, we'll be talking about the research on the longevity benefits of quinoa, as well as its potential mechanisms of action. What is quinoa? Quinoa, Chenopodium quinoa, is a flowering plant that is native to the Andean region of South America. It has been cultivated for thousands of years as a food source, and its seeds are often used in dishes such as salads, soups, and porridge. Quinoa is a pseudocereal, meaning that it is not a true cereal or grain, but rather a seed that is cooked and eaten like a grain. Nutritional value of quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent source of nutrition, containing high amounts of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. A 100-gram serving of cooked quinoa contains the following nutrients: protein, 4 grams, fiber, 2.8 grams, fat, 1.9 grams, carbohydrates, 21.3 grams, vitamin B6 to 0.1 milligrams, vitamin E, 1.5 milligrams, iron, 1.5 milligrams, magnesium, 64 milligrams, phosphorus, 152 milligrams, potassium, 172 milligrams, zinc, 1.1 milligrams. In addition to these nutrients, quinoa also contains various antioxidants and bioactive compounds, which may have health benefits beyond their basic nutritional value. Longevity benefits of quinoa. Recent research has suggested that quinoa may have longevity benefits, meaning that it could help people live longer and healthier lives. There are several mechanisms by which quinoa may exert these benefits, including antioxidant properties. Quinoa is a rich source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and aging. Antioxidants help to neutralize these free radicals, preventing or reducing the damage they cause. Some studies have suggested that the antioxidants in quinoa may help to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in the body as a response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Quinoa contains several anti-inflammatory compounds, including polyphenols and saponins, which may help to reduce inflammation and prevent or treat these conditions. Blood sugar control. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, which means that it does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after eating. This is beneficial for people with diabetes, as it can help to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent complications such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and vision problems. Studies have also suggested that the fiber in quinoa may help to improve insulin sensitivity, further enhancing its blood sugar benefits. Cardiovascular health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and several risk factors, such as high cholesterol and high blood pressure, contribute to its development. Quinoa may help to reduce these risk factors, as it contains several compounds that have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure. For example, the fiber in quinoa has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Additionally, the potassium in quinoa may help to lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and longevity, as obesity is a risk factor for numerous chronic diseases. Quinoa may help with weight management, as it is high in protein and fiber, which can help to increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the low glycemic index of quinoa means that it is less likely to cause spikes in blood sugar levels and subsequent cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods. Conclusion. Quinoa is a nutritious and versatile food that may offer numerous health benefits, including longevity benefits. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, as well as its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, improve cardiovascular health, and aid in weight management, make it an excellent addition to any diet. Whether you are looking to improve your overall health or prevent or treat specific health conditions, quinoa is a food that should be on your radar. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.